Good evening all. Myself Surendra Singh Chan. Happy Teachers Day to entire Kotia. I've been asked to speak about Teachers Day. So here are my 2 cents, not 2 cents, 3 cents rather. The first cent, according to my view, Teachers Day is linked back to teaching. So thereby I'm going to talk a little bit more about teaching. Teaching is the first cent which I want to start with this. Teaching has its own value. It is like an aroma. The more you associate yourself with that aroma, you also start feeling that aroma. For example, if I apply an ether on my body, the value of ether gets transformed back into my life as well. Similarly, teaching, you associate with any of the institutes. We as human mankind have defined certain institution or certain teaching system. For example, there is a SSLC definition, there is a PUC, there is a degree. So each layer of teaching has its own value. The more I increase my level, the higher the value I get perceived in the market. For example, the moment I say that I am a degree student versus I am telling I am C student, the degrees are very different of value. So thereby, the teaching has its own value. Teachers has higher value. You associate with the teaching and along with a better teacher gives a different perception in life. So thereby, it's always the saying, the higher the studies, the higher the value you perceive for yourself. That was cent number 1. Cent number 2. We all have different stages of life in which we have passed by. Each learning at different stage has its own value and each teaching has its own value. But according to me, the teaching stages would be very different. But the value what we perceive from the teaching is same. To give an example, I have undergone a schooling system. Whatever I have learned, English, Kannada, whatever language I speak today, this value has its own during my course of life. But at the same time, if I have learned some hard lessons of life, for example, somebody cheated on me, somebody did wrong to me, what learning I perceive from it does not diminishes the value of what learning I have done during the schooling days. The degree of teachings are different, but the value of teaching is same at every stage of life. That was cent number 2. Cent number 3. Now, as we all understand that the teaching is a very robust process, very different process. Thereby, as a mankind, we all have defined ourselves certain teaching mechanism, certain ability to learn. For example, you have to pass through degree. The moment you attach degree, there's a value. But imagine, let's contrast to that, there's a Mother Earth, which has its own atmosphere of teaching for you. Whatever learning you learn from your schooling system, quite contrast and quite robust when you go and learn with the Mother Nature. The value of teaching done by Mother Nature is very different than the definition you perceive from the defined teaching system. So if you ask me, learning does not have end. The more you learn, the higher the value you create. Until the age of 0, which you can add numerical value prior to that, it's very different learning than what learning you do from day one. So as you grow taller in the system, higher in your age, ensure that your learning doesn't stop. You can learn from a peon, you can learn from a passing by car. Learning is an infinite process. Somebody who pauses his learning has pauses his growth for self. With that note, I want to thank you, my learners, my mentors in this company. A big thanks to Dr. Vishal, who has been very helpful to me at various stages of my life. He's ensured that he mentors me at all stages of my life. Second, of course, Rama sir, he always considered me as his younger brother, and I'm thankful and awed at times for the love what he showers on me. And of course, the master, the mentor, the guru, everything you define is my boss, Vaibhav sir. Without his those short gyan, those crispy lessons, and very specific, those perky statements and those guidance for myself, spiritual, financial, professional, everywhere, he's holding my hand like a small child. And for that, Namaste Gurubhyo Namaha. Without those gurus, Surendra is nothing today. So thank you very much. Happy Teachers Day to all of us. Lots of love.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepak. I'm taking care of Kanya Operations Bangalore. Firstly, I would like to thank all the teachers for Happy Teachers Day for them. And on this note, I would like to add my mentor Shankar sir. So one thing that he teach me was repeating the things many a times, even though it's a very small thing to understand. And because of that, it helped me to get pass of many of the subjects. And in Kottayam, I always look upon Surendra sir, Manjunath sir and Santosh Bhaktavachalam sir. So I personally want to wish them Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.